It is not easy to be a slave. They have no rights in society. They do all sorts of dirty work, for example, carrying heavy things.
Come here, slave. Closest.
Yes, sir.
Here, pick up this brick.
Okay, I will do it.
Faster.
They clear clock
Come here.
drains.
Slave.
Yes.
There you go. Now clean the top drains.
Yes.
Faster. Faster. Let it go.
Yes.
They also clear human waste.
Yes, sir.
Clean my shit.
Yes, I will clean your shit now.
Now go.
It's so smelly.
The slaves are often bullied by their owners.
Hey, slave. Come here.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Smell my armpit.
Ah.
Do you feel the flares of my armpit?
Yes.
Good.
Hungry. You're hungry.
Sir, I'm very hungry. I need some food.
Oh, you hungry?
Yes. Please give me some food.
Right now. Faster! How does it taste like?
Very, very good,
Like
sir.
carbons?
Yes. Very delicious.
good. Now let's go away. Let's go away.
Sir, thank you very much
Oh no.
for your food.
Oh, it's okay.
I need to
Oh,
give.
it's okay. It's okay.
I need to give you a handshake.
You want a handshake? I'll give you a handshake on your butt.
But sir, there's a dent and your shirt.
But don't just I can give myself. I can give myself.
Yes.
No! What are you touching me? Oh! What are you touching me? You see? No. You know you're untouchable. You tell me anything you touch me.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Slave these days, uncontrollable. Now go away. Go!
Start.
Where are we? This place looks so strange.
Sir, I think we
Who
are.
are you?
I'm your slave.
Forgotten you, I guess.
Yes, I'm your slave.
Oh.
Yes.
Greetings, newcomers.
Greetings.
I am Yama. I've got the god of death. I've been observing all your good deeds and your bad deeds.
All good.
Today,
Please, sir, please. I've done all good things in my life.
Today it's your
Please.
judgment day.
No,
Please
please.
be silent.
Please.
You're a kind person. You've been done all the good deeds all the time. You will reincarnate as a good person in your next life. You'll be rich to go.
Thank you, Yama.
Now, going to you. You have been a very bad person. Very bad. Now,
Why? After so many good things in my life.
silence! You will reincarnate as a pig in your next life.